Hi, my name is Megan Atuvle and I am the CEO of LUMOplay, and today I'm going to show you how to change your LUMOplay subscription. So it's really easy. You can do this from any computer that's connected to the internet. Just log into your account at lumoplay.com, and then in the top right, pull the drop down and click on My Account. And that's going to open your account dashboard. And you'll see a little button that says Manage Billing. Click on that and it'll open the Stripe customer portal, which gives you access to all of your billing information. Now, obviously, because I am the CEO, I don't charge myself for licenses, so your numbers are gonna look different than this. But if I wanna add or subtract any licenses from my account, I still have to go through this process. And what I can do is I can just click on Update Subscription. And here's all the options that you have. So I have a Playmaker account. I have 3 licenses available. I can subtract or add licenses to my annual Playmaker account. I can also switch this to a monthly subscription, or I can switch back and forth between Playmaker and Playground. The only thing to be aware of is if you are using Lumo Playmaker and you have made a bunch of apps using Motion Maker with your Playmaker account, if you then downgrade to Playground, you're going to be asked to pay a fee to unlock those apps from the draft state. Playmaker allows you to publish as many apps as you want to out of the Motion Maker templates, but Playground, there is a fee for each one of the apps. So just bear that in mind if you are switching back and forth between license types. So I can give myself as many licenses as I want to here, and then just click on Continue, and then it's going to, apply my special discount. But normally what it would do is it would add this amount to your current subscription, whatever's remaining in your current subscription, and then it would charge you the balance and also confirm what your total will be going forward every year when it renews. So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to let me know. info@lumoplay.com is the best way to get a hold of me. And yeah, I'll be back next week with another tutorial. I hope this was helpful.